Begin by cutting the chicken breasts into small pieces. In a pan, sauté the chicken with finely chopped onion, grated garlic, salt, black pepper, paprika, and a pinch of thyme until cooked through. Set aside. Boil the potatoes until tender, then grate them. Add the cooked and drained spinach, Parmesan cheese, salt, and black pepper. Mix well to create a uniform mixture. Take portions of the mixture and shape them into desired circular shapes. Make a hollow in the center of each circle and fill it with the chicken mixture. Close the edges to seal the filling inside. Place the shaped gratins on a baking tray. Pour the sauce over them and sprinkle with pizza cheese or mozzarella. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 35 to 40 minutes or until golden brown.